Let's open Galaxy and begin with an empty canvas. Write some text as input and draw an arrow connecting your input. Write prompt directly on top of the arrow and connect end of the arrow to the output element. Now select the original input element and you can see a button complete. Press a button to execute the prompt and the output result is rendered in the output element. Now it's time to spawn our first AI agent on the canvas. Connect with an arrow a name of the model to the agent, and in the label on top of the arrow it's important to start the label with a dot following the name of the field. It means we assign model field with value GPT-4 in this case to the hidden property, to metadata of our agent. As well, we assign the temperature and we assign system prompt. We use register macro to spawn an agent, and it's important in this case to give our agent a calculator. The same way we give properties to the agent, we can define properties on the tool that we create. It's important to give the tool a name and description, because the name and description will be used by AI to determine which tool is suitable for particular task. It will determine it based on the name and description of tool. Then we assign some arguments that the external function of the tool will accept. And then we actually ask AI to generate a code of this external function based on the arguments. We use a $sign to reference the output of particular statement, or to actually reference any text on the canvas inside of other text element. We use $sign for it. First, we register the variable with this name, and then we can use it inside of other field. So now we can create AGI, Artificial Guardian Angel. Use it as a base model for 16 individual agents which AGA is composed of. Similar way as we did with mathematics agent, we define a model which in case instead of GPT-4 it's AGA, and we define a prompt to each of those agents. "16 of them using the same model AGA, but each of them has an individual prompt. and each of them has different tools. Blockchain agent can read block explorer, execute transactions for you. A research agent can parse PDF files. A DevOps agent can access SSH. All of them together working, unified as single manager. We register it as unified agent. And now every user can customize the basic unified agent, can apply his own custom instructions and give information about user himself to make it individual.